Okay, so that's the unboxing done. Join me now. I'm going to try and set this lot up together, test it all first, make sure it's all working, and then we're going to put it onto the Triumph Tiger 900. Okay, so here we are testing out these two lights. I've just done a little bit of messing about with wires and stuff because obviously I'm not an auto electrician. You don't have to be really, so long as you've got the basics. And this is what we're doing. We've got a red and a black coming from each light. So they're joined together to make one red, one black. On the red side, we have the two red wires go to a junction, and then out of the other side comes one of the wires from the switch. This is just a rocker switch, so it's on, off, basically. It breaks the circuit. So then the other wire that comes out of the switch goes then directly to the positive. So now we've got a switch in between the positive line going to the lights. And then the negative are the two black wires coming out of the lights. They join together to make one black wire, and then we connect that to a second black wire, which goes basically two into one, and then the one goes to the battery. So that's the negative. So I've tried to keep it as best as I can with the wires so that we get the idea. So we have, I'll use this if I can. We have two blacks joining a black, so two into one, and that goes to the battery. And then the other side, we've got two reds going into one red. I know it's a blue, but don't worry about it, it's the red. The red then goes to the rocker switch, which is either on or off, and at the moment it's off. And then from there, well, at the moment it's off now, and then from there the same wire comes all the way down and to the red. So once we connect that to the battery, which I'm going to do, it means then we've got the rocker cover, the rocker switch, and that switch will either make the circuit or break the circuit. So I'm going to connect this to there, so that's both red and black connected, which it will be on the bike. And then when I switch the switch, so I switch it once and it comes up those, I switch it off and on and it comes up dull, I switch it on and off and it comes up flash, on and off. So now we've got high, low, flash, high, low, flash, and that's all done with this on off rocker switch. I hope I kind of made that sound right. I don't know what I'm doing, you know. I don't want you to follow me and say, well, you broke my lights. I did exactly what you said. This has just took me a little bit of time to get this sorted before I show it to you guys. And basically that's it. This is the connection and the deconnect, basically. There are two wires going, one in and one out, and they're both on the same side. So with that now in mind, the next step is to maybe take a picture of this, remember how we've got it, and then start looking at where the lights are going to go on the bike.